Today I'm going to show you how to resize your image in Adobe Photoshop. While using Adobe Photoshop, a quick tip is that you should never ever stretch your images if you want to keep it looking professional. But without further ado, let's start resizing this image. So first of all the basic stuff: create a new document and paste your image. But the problem is your image is too big. But don't worry too much, because this is a video. I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step tutorial, and it's pretty simple. We are just going to be adjusting something and we'll get this amazing results. Now we have got our image in a canvas. Make sure that it's a separate layer from the background. Then click the layer where the picture is in and hit Ctrl+T. Then zoom out to see the size of your image. But if you already do something that messed up the photo, just hit Ctrl+Z to undo. Just hit Shift and Alt to resize the image from all sides to center. You can also hit Shift to resize the image from just one angle. Then lastly, if you finally have the results in which you are happy with, hit Enter to make this the default size. Now here you go. This is how you can resize your picture in Adobe Photoshop. So all for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching.